welcome you once again to NYANSAPO TV. Today having a saddest moment for the Ashanti Kingdom, especially the Otumfuo Osei. One of his chief has passed away, Nana Tweneboa Kodua III, who happened to be his Fontomfromhene. This is what we call Fontomfrom, and he happens to be the chief of Fontomfrom. This is the Fontomfrom, as you can see, the Fontomfrom display. Beautiful culture. As you can see, the grounds are fully black. Chief that the king of Otumfuo sent to replace him. Let's look at his dancing movement. Chief is about to leave the grounds because it's almost 5